What is a cyclical stock? A cyclical stock is a share in a company whose fortunes rise and fall with the wider economy. When times are good and people are spending freely, these companies do well and their shares tend to climb. When the economy slows, their sales drop and their shares often fall. Industries like car makers, airlines, hotels, and luxury goods are typically cyclical. A cyclical stock is the opposite of a defensive stock, which sells things people need whatever the economy is doing and so holds up better in downturns. Why does it matter? Cyclical stocks matter because understanding them helps you make sense of why some shares swing so much with the economic mood. Their strong link to the economy means they can soar in a boom and slump in a recession, which makes them exciting in good times and painful in bad ones. In effect, a cyclical company's profits are tied to the confidence of its customers. They can offer big rewards to well-timed investors. Imagine someone who buys cyclical shares when the economy is depressed and prices are low, then holds as the recovery lifts sales and profits. They could enjoy sharp gains as the cycle turns. That potential draws investors willing to ride the ups and downs, but they demand a strong stomach and good judgment. Because cyclical stocks fall hard in downturns, holding them through a recession can be nerve-wracking, and mistiming the cycle can be costly. Recognizing this pattern in advance is half the battle when investing in them, because it tells you how a share is likely to behave when the economy shifts. Here's a simple example. Imagine a company that makes new cars. When the economy is booming, people feel confident and buy new cars freely, so the company's sales and profits surge and its share price climbs. Investors are happy, and the good times seem set to continue. Then a recession hits. Worried about their jobs, people delay big purchases like cars, so the company's sales collapse, its profits shrink, and its share price falls sharply. Nothing about the cars changed. What changed was the economy, and the company's fortunes moved with it. For shareholders, that swing from boom to bust can be dramatic and swift. A defensive company, by contrast, might sell something like household basics that people keep buying in any economy. Its sales stay steady through the same recession, and its share price holds up far better. Comparing the two shows why the economic cycle matters so much more for cyclical stocks than for defensive ones. What else should you know? Investing in cyclical stocks is partly about timing, which is notoriously hard to get right. Buying near the bottom of a downturn and selling near the top of a boom can be very profitable, but few people manage it consistently, and even professional investors frequently misjudge where in the cycle the economy sits. Getting the timing wrong can turn a promising bet into a heavy loss. Cyclical companies can also be riskier in a deep or long recession when weaker ones may struggle to survive. Their dividends too can be cut when profits fall. For most long-term investors, the practical answer is diversification rather than trying to time the cycle. Holding a broad mix of cyclical and defensive companies means you benefit from booms without being wiped out by busts, capturing their upside without staking your future on perfect timing. Cyclical stocks can add growth potential, but they are best held as part of a balanced portfolio rather than a concentrated bet. To sum it all up, a cyclical stock is a share whose fortunes rise and fall with the economy, doing well in booms and poorly in downturns, typical of industries like car makers, airlines, and luxury goods. It contrasts with defensive stocks, which hold steadier through the cycle. Cyclicals can offer big rewards to well-timed investors but fall hard in recessions and demand a strong stomach. Because timing the cycle is so difficult, most investors are better off holding a balanced mix rather than betting heavily on them. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description, don't miss out.